Ask Pascal, you're supposed to go over there.
Okay. Hello everybody! Today we make a special dish. This is a dish that was eaten in Italy in a farm. We was making for 2-3 days. Pasta e ceci. Ceci e beans. Ceci beans, right? Alright?
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas. I ciceri. Chickpeas, I ciceri, ceci. Okay. Now I got all the ingredients over here. I got my pasta. This is a mixed pasta. In Italy we call it minutos. I got the bacon I want to do. I got a parsley. I got a garlic. And I got my oil baby. And I got onion. And I got my wine. And look what I got over here. In the daytime, I get up, I have a cup of coffee, everything, breakfast, and I start to do another one. Already I did 2, and this is the three now. I gotta finish. Now let's start. No, first let's cook this, the bacon. I want to start to cook the bacon. And look how beautiful, nice the bacon. And I put one on top of the other like this. I got a 4 slice. Okay. And with a knife, I want to cut this right in the middle. Like this.
They drinking something else, Chianti.
See, now I gotta drink everything what I got home. Gotta go shop. Now my son tomorrow, he gotta go shop for me. And now I got the wine, any kind of the wine and I drink. Okay, now the bacon I cut like this. Jehovah, anche carne macilla. Now we put it right on this dish again.
Johnny says drinking bourbon for you and me.
Okay, good. Now we go on the stove with the bacon. And I put this pots over here. And I want to raise the flame. And let me wash my hand because I also color the bacon.
It's like mixed pasta. It's like mixing all the different kind of pastas.
Yeah, this is a mixed pasta. But see you not find the mixed pasta in a bag like I find, you can do by yourself. You take the linguine, you cut little pieces, spaghetti, bucatini, everything, parciatella. You break a piece and you make a mix. Okay, now I put little oil, not too much. And now, before I start with the bacon, I want to put the pasta like this. The water boil, and I put a little salt already. And we give a nice mix. And now this you gotta cook. And after taste, when it's ready to go, we gotta mix it together, everything. Okay, now I got over here for the bacon. C'è bisogna zingara per addivinare con c'è. Fatta mamma degli osacci negli te. Cosa, servetta, stessa cosa. Gotta make sure the pasta the turn the couple of times che hanno one stick and a barrel. Zucchero e cannella per impastare sta bocca bella. Non c'è bisogno di zingare per addivinare con c'è. Come l'ha fatta mamma te io saccio meglio te.
Can you say now hello again to everybody since there's more people?
Hello, hello everybody. Today we make a nice dish. Pasta e chickpeas, chickpeas.
Yeah, you can use pancetta, yes.
Yes, with the pancetta, bacon, so you don't got a pancetta and bacon, you can use a prosciutto. Well, prosciutto is good too, everything.
We have panele video on Facebook. No recipes, just video.
Non c'è bisogno di zingara per divenire un c'è. Una fatta mamma e io saccio meglio te. Salute cincin. Okay, now bring over here the garlic and onion.
Congratulations, Deborah. You have little girl or little boy?
What, you got a baby?
She become grandma, the first grandchild.
Auguri the grandchild. Okay? All right, now this look nice, and now we put the onion, and we put the garlic and the oil, baby. I want the spice over here. Hey Marie, da suonaggia. Oh, the smell of the garlic, the onion, the bacon is so good. Hey Marie, da suonaggia verso che te famma dormire. Way Marie.
Well, it's kind of spicy pepper.
Now, I want to show you the chickpeas, I cook by myself. And look how beautiful it look. Okay? Like this, you know what you eat. And this, it's more better than one in the can that I told you the truth, I don't like. But not everybody can cook like this. It's okay. You can use the can, but make sure to wash good before you use. Okay, now this is the onion, the garlic. Now turn off it over here, and we start to take the chickpeas, and we put it right over here, and we give a nice turn. We lower the gas a little bit. Now the water, make sure to not throw away the water, because maybe we need it for the pasta after. But if you buy in the can, you can use the pasta, the water, the pasta. Okay, we leave this on the side.
Yeah, you can use beans also. Yes, we have recipe for beans too, separate.
Yeah, pasta beans, pasta fazool.
How you cook chickpeas? Can you explain?
Yes, the chickpeas you can put a night before in the water and you leave stay. In the morning you cook. But see you want, you can cook it different. You wash good and you can boil. It not take long. I think maybe 1 hour. You cook the chickpeas. The chickpeas.
Yeah, you put water in a chickpeas. No water, no salt.
Okay, now we gotta wait for the pasta. Now the pasta, like I say, I take it out a couple of minutes before. Like this, I leave it cook together. Now I need a little water, and this is the chickpeas water. And we leave it right over here like this. If I need more, not throw away the water. Okay? Alright, now I like the pura, because the chickpeas I cook with no salt. Yeah, I put a little salt, but the water, the pasta, it's salty.
No, you have to drain the water when you stay overnight, and then next day you drain water and you put fresh one.
Okay, now we give a nice turn on this.
It's like mixed pasta.
Oh, I like everybody to smell this. It smells so good.
He's from South Italy.
Little bit more.
You can use pancetta also.
Tante cose. Salute cin cin, come on. Everybody, drink with me. Salute. Cin cin everybody. Come on. Salute. Okay, let me test the pasta again. I got this, I think it's almost cooked. The pasta you gotta get out of here. You gotta take out. Okay, we take the gas off. And I want to drain the pasta. Good. Okay, now the pasta it go right over here. All right, now we give a nice mix everything. We raise the gas a little bit. Look how beautiful. Right.
Looks so good. Well, we
Okay.
don't know what we gotta cook because Jeremy's going to shopping tomorrow, so we have to see what he find out for us.
Okay, now I want to go over here. I want to take this out. Huh? We can make a little bit more. Not too much. That's it. Good. Look how beautiful. Okay. Now I want to bring this over here. Yeah, I got this. I don't want to miss my wine. Yeah, I got the parsley. So we put it right over here.
Well, this is really easy dish to make.
Okay.
Quick too.
Look how beautiful look. Okay. I want to put my dish. I want to use a spoon for me. Enough. And I want to put my oil baby too. Okay. Maybe I don't use, but if you want, you can put a cheese on the top. And I want to use little oil on the top like this. A little parsley, fresh parsley. You don't believe, everybody, the parsley I got outside. So beautiful. It's the eye like this. I got so many. Okay. Now let's taste the pasta e cheese beans, chickpeas. Okay. It's so good. And with a little glass of wine on the side, it's really good. The pasta chickpeas, it's really good. I hope somebody make it and let me know. It's really good. You make once, you make all the time. And I want to say to everybody, salute chin chin, and thank you very much for the star. But salute chin chin, and thank you very much to everybody. Today was a beautiful day, but a lot of rain. That's okay. We was to make this dish. I wish somebody make and let me know. Make a nice picture, send it to me. I want to say salute chin chin again, and thank you very much for the star, for everybody.
Everybody say Happy Easter.
Oh, and happy Easter to everybody. And I hope everybody cook a nice dish for Easter. Maybe in Italy we was making a lamb, frittata, everything it was good. Okay, salute chin chin, and thank you very much, and we see you again next time. Wait, salute chin chin. Thank you, a pesto.